In this video, we are going to install Python and PyCharm, which is the commonly used integrated development environment or IDE for Python. So the first thing, obviously, we want to go to python.org, which is the official website of Python, and grab the latest version of Python, which at this point in time is 3.11.1. Okay, we want to install it into the default location and also add this to the path variable environment variable. It's loading. Okay, so that was actually everything we needed. So next we are going to install PyCharm, which is as I was saying at the beginning, popular choice for Python IDE. We want to go to download PyCharm and notice there are two versions. Professional, which is like a pay version. I think it requires some payment of some form after a 30-day trial. But we actually want to use community for like learning purposes or small projects. I don't know the scope of this, but it's surely like a free version and open source. So here I made an attempt previously to download this, but actually found out it's not the right version. It's still in the morning, so yeah. Okay, so I paused the video for a couple of minutes to allow the download to be completed. Now that it's completed, we are just installing it, hopefully. Next, we want to leave the default version here, and yeah, why not? We'll also do this, and that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and pause the video for this part. Okay, so now that we're back, the install completed. We'll just click finish. And one thing that we can do to check if everything is fine, and by fine I mean that if Python is correctly installed and yeah, maybe let's send. And everything is configured properly. We open PyCharm. We say we want a new project. For the moment, we leave the default location, but in the future, we will be using probably a different workspace, like a different location. And yeah, just leave everything default here. Takes a while. Okay. And let's say that we want to show the version, we actually need to import the sys module and then print this dot version and run this thing. So it's the right version and Python works. We're good to go.